You guys have to stop protecting your exterior wood structures, decks, gazebos, railings, this type of stuff. You have to stop protecting them with thin residential deck paints and stains, thin residential house paints, because they don't lock out water from the fasteners, the nails and the screws in them, right? If water can get to the fasteners, it's going to corrode them and destroy them. Also, a lot of times these are constructed poorly, meaning they got lots of pockets of areas that water will hold in there. The answer is almost always a thick build industrial coating that actually has the power to encapsulate this completely and leave no areas like this. Do you see this little crack here where water drips on this edge? It gets down inside of this little crack on this spindle, goes underneath the spindle and accesses the screw that's in there, and then it corrodes the screw, which causes this, which causes them to just basically fall apart. If you switch to a thick build industrial coating that covers all those cracks, covers all those areas, if it's impossible for water to get in and destroy, you'll be a lot better off. Let me show you my solution. Let me show you my thick build industrial grade coating system that we call Kong Armor. Ultra tough, backed here locally in the tri-state, lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise. Let me show you the difference in the level of protection.